Utuko wa ira maabithaa a ruhonge rwa NACADA unyitaniri-ini na maabithaa a borithi aria mari rungu rwa ruhonge ruru ni marahithukiire micii iri ya Riri mwena wa Nyari kaunti ya Mombasa magiethana na ahuthiri na endia a shisha. Thiini wa mucii wa mbere maabithaa aya ni marahotire gwikia ngono ekuirwo a uhuthiri na wendia wa shisha mari ikeno-ini ciao cia ugucia wa shisha.
Got information that there was this joint here that was selling shisha. When we accessed this premise, the license that we were shown, first of all, has expired. Secondly, it was only given for 1 month, which expired in August 2017. That in itself is a violation, and we'll work close with the county to ensure that such places as this are licensed.
Andu aria mararehete uregani munene wa gwikio ngono ni maratongirio hinya mukiruku ni maabithaa aya kuria aria mararegagira ngari-ini na nyumba-ini cia toro maracungiriirio kwineana. Murugamiriri munene wa NACADA OMERIKWA agikira mukonde andu 38 nio maraikirio ngono mucii-ini wa mbere na kuhithukia nyungu iria ihuthikaga ugucia-ini wa shisha.
We are able to collect over 47 shisha gongs. We were able to get over 700 shisha ingredients, which we will subject to an assessment at the government chemist to verify the actual contents of that shisha ingredients.
Mucii-ini wa keri maabithaa aya ni marahotire gwikia ngono andu 10. Riboti ikiubuka aria marari mucii-ini uyu ni marahotire gwithara thutha wa gukinyirwo ni riboti ni kuri na Birigiceni irathie na mbere. OMERIKWA akiuga ruhonge ruru rutikugwagwa hari gukinyaniria mawatho.
I'd like to urge proprietors that the law is very clear. If you have an establishment, you need to operate your enterprise within the law.
Ruhonge ruru rwa NACADA ni rwiranire kunyitanira na thirikari ya Mombasa guthuthuria aria makoretwo magitwarithia na mbere biashara ya shisha mugaru na watho.
Some of these dens are breeding grounds for criminal enterprise. Some of these places is where our young people get inducted into alcohol and drug abuse.
Ekuirwo aria maranyitirwo matanyitwo gukinyio igoti-ini muthenya wa RUCIO uthuthuria makiria ugitanyo gukinyanirio hari imwe ya mithemba ya shisha iria irahithukirio niguo gukurikana kana niri na ndawa cia kulebia. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, ritwa riakwa ni Ndigwa wa Gathungu.